avoid anything that is unverified or superlative. So #1 rated app, #1 this, #1 that, #1 agency. If it's verified in a way that you could also describe in your headline or description, where it is then objective, then that's important. Fastest growing, right? Like, okay, that might be a good appeal. That might be interesting. Can you verify it? Is it objective? So that's like the first sort of 1A and 1B of copywriting hacks. Then I do a test. Can this headline be slapped on any of my competitors and still work? If it can, it's a bad headline. If I could take my headline from my client's pen store, fountain pen website, and use that headline on all of his competitors' ads, and it would still work, it's a bad headline. So a headline like,